man. Hey, kid, quit playing with this. And look at this baby. Wow, it'll do anything you say. Anything? As long as it's evil. What do you think? Oh, my God.
Gabba gooba, gooba gabba. It's time for revenge. Spray more things. Gooba gooba gabba gooba, gabba gooba gabba gooba, gabba gooba gabba gooba gabba gooba.
All right, why don't you actually try using it? Here, get inside. See? Now try doing anything.
Wee-oo. What are you guys doing? There's a bunch of buildings chasing me. We're gonna run away.
No, we must fight.
Fight buildings? Okay.
What the heck is that? Go gadget binoculars. Dogman needs help. Hey, we're supposed to be evil.
My friends, we need to get them for revenge. Gabba gooba gabba gooba gabba gooba gabba gooba. Yeah, but what? You guys are idiots. Gabba gooba. Oh no! Hey! They're safe! Oh no!
Swoosh! I gotcha.
Boy, am I glad you guys are safe. I spoke too soon. Gooba gabba gabba gooba gooba gabba gabba gooba.
No, that's a little boring. So why would you just make something very funny like we always do for the Captain Underpants? I'm trying to think of something very funny introduction. Oh, hey everybody! Welcome to our second Dogman novel. This comic introduction will help you get caught up on this epicness.
Looks like it's a dog-eat hot dog world after all. But whatever happened to Dogman and Petey? I'm afraid of falling. Oh no! Oh! Lunchtime. Not great. Oh. It's a nice, juicy hot dog.
We went up to the mountain and we got Flippy.
Why?
Because we want to study him the... Stop it! Now he is squished.
Why don't we rebuild him?
Okay, come on, Dogman, for some reason.
Okay, we'll study him tomorrow.
Test tubes. Did you fall down? Yes. Why? Because. Why? Because. Why? Because. Why? Because. Just make me tea. Okay, I made it with a fly swatter. Why don't you sit in this box?
Hey, look, a cat. I'll call you Snowball.
I'll call you Poo Poo Head.
What a rude cat.
Seriously, man? Gotta pee. Wait, he's gone. See ya. Papa, I guess I'll sing a song, and then I'll talk to my box.
Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god, I heard a crap. No. Dude. Sheesh, the new couch is destroyed. Shut up. What happened to your new couch? Yeah. I don't know. Oh no. Dogman. 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 Are you okay? Dogman is alive. Thank God he's not dead. Oh, Dogman, you destroyed the taco guy. I'm so happy for Dogman. Woohoo! Aren't you glad that she was not angry? Dogman anymore? I sure ain't. Hooray for Dogman! Dogman, we really need to talk about Officer Knight. Mama? Yeah. When you were asleep, and we decided to bury him so he can be there for you. He'll be in your heart. Yes. He's really proud of you. Really proud. Yeah. I'm gonna show you where he is. Come on. Okay. He's right there. Hey, Chief. He really showed the Dogman of Officer Knight's grave. Yep. We really miss you, Officer Knight. Remember, if you want action, if you want suspense, if you want laughs, then Dogman is go! Dogman is go. That don't make sense. But we liked it.
Go, Dogman is go. Gotta run and fight and do what's right. His bark is mighty like his bite. Go, Dogman is go. We don't know exactly what that means, but when evil schemes make people scream, oh no! Go, 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 Dogman is go. We saw those beastie buildings, gooba gabba, gooba gabba. Citizens were stressing, wow! But he spied a tanker truck nearby, hauling gallons of French dressing. Dogman is go. And behind that truck he's riding, see those buildings slip and sliding to and fro. Whoa, 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 Dogman is. He took the head of a dog and the body of a cock. We were messing with nature, but nobody said stop, 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 stop. We sewed a dog head on a cop bot. We were scientists who were playing God. Got a cop frame and a dog brain. Kinda sounds wrong, even insane. Oh, Dogman is go. Those buildings are a fatal threat, and they won't stop till they finally get their goal. No, no, no.
Oh yeah, Dogman is go.
He's a dog man, he's better than he was. His head is fuzzy, but his body is the fuzz. Dog man! Just look at him go, he's part dog, part man, all hero. Who's a good cop? Who's a good cop? Paddywhack, give the cop a bone jack. Soul back, wiggity whack, body like cold jack. And soon a brand new crime-biting sensation was unleashed. And so he took to the streets. He took to the streets. He was working for the force. Force. He had a nose for justice and for other things, of course. Stop sniffing my butt! With his dog sense and his man body, he could catch crooks who were being naughty. Rats. I unwittingly created the greatest cop of ever. Book 'em, dog man, you'll never take me. Then he caught Petey by his cat tail, threw that cat burglar into cat jail. No! Yeah! My villainous plan, how could anyone foil it? He's a star, he's a dream. He just drank from a toilet. He's a dog, man, he's such a perfect blend. As dog and man, he's his own best friend. Yeah, he's a dog, man, just look at him go. He's part pooch, part guy. All hell! Dog, man, just look at him go. He's part dog, part man. All hero. All hero. All hero. Here, boy. Wait, stop. No, stop. Down, boy. Down. Cut it out. Hey, get off of me. Stop. Bad doggy. All hero.